This video tutorial I will explain what is logging. Imagine you have a diary or journal where you write down important events, thoughts or experiences that happen to you every day. Logging in the context of computers is quite similar to keeping a diary, but instead of your personal experiences, it is a way for computers to record what computers are doing. Just like you might write in your diary when you wake up, have breakfast, or go to school. Computers use logging to keep a record of their activities. This record can include information like when the program starts, when the program stops, if there are any errors or problems, and other important events. Logging is like creating written history of what computer is doing, and it is helpful because it allows computer programmers or IT professionals to see what is happening inside the computer. If something goes wrong or if computer is misbehaving, these logs can provide clues to help to figure it out what is going on and how to fix it. In simple terms, logging is like a computer's way of keeping journal of its actions, just like you might keep a diary of your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.